I will be showing you how I personalize wine glasses. If you like what you see, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Here's 2 examples of what I have done in the past. Let me know in the comment area if you would like to see a tutorial of these. Okay, let's get started. First, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your wine glass is clean. And what I will be doing is using some alcohol and just making sure that the glass is clean from any fingerprints or any type of dust. I actually bought my wine glasses from Dollar Tree for just $1. So what I like to do is put electric tape around the area to make sure that I don't get any black paint in between the top part and the bottom part of the glass. So I have finished putting the electric tape around the glass where I would like to only have the black paint be located on the glass. Also, I will be using grocery bags to cover the top of the wine glass. Now it is time to paint the wine glasses black. I will be using the Rustoleum Appliance Epoxy Spray Paint because it has that nice and clean shine look. But if you don't know, in my previous video, I actually used the Rustoleum paint to paint my dishwasher from white to black. And I used it for several other projects as well. And I really like this product. It's simple, and you're just spray painting the wine glasses, making sure that you protect the area of the glass that you do not want to be painted. So that's why I use a grocery bag to just go around the upper part of the wine glass so that I don't get any paint on that part of the wine glass. And with this paint, it is really easy to spray. And it dries very quick. So the wait time is like maybe less than an hour or 2. Now I'm just going to let this dry, and as I'm letting this dry, I'm actually going to go ahead and do my vinyl design for the wine glasses, and I'll show you a design that I'll be using. And here's the design. Here is a design that was cut from the cricut, and I will be using the contact paper to place it on the glass. You're just going to be peeling the design onto the contact paper. And here is the other design that we will be using to place on the wine glass. Now, before I place the vinyl on the wine glass, I still want to make sure that the surface is clean. Now I'm going to place the vinyl on top of the wine glass and position it where I would like it. Now you're going to just press down on the wine glass and make sure that everything sticks. Normally I would get my contact paper from Dollar Tree for just $1, but they did not have anything in stock, so I had to wind up getting the cricut contact paper, and I really don't like it too much because it is very sticky compared to the Dollar Tree brand. Because of this contact paper, I actually had to pull out my X-Acto knife to just make sure that I align things correctly because this contact paper is pretty sticky. And here you have it. It looks so nice and elegant, but now we have to add on the key that will go on with the design of the vinyl that we just cut from the cricut machine. And we are done. I really like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I will also be using the Mod Podge dishwasher safe product, which also takes 28 days for it to be dishwash proof. If you would like to see more, please click subscribe to my channel.